Hi traders, thanks for stopping by thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor and we're going to take a look at the biotech daily chart here as well as some of the individual names that make up a big part of the IBB ETF here. And I'm going to give my analysis and thought process, and you're going to walk away from this video with some newfound knowledge on technical analysis as well as some profitable trade ideas here on this index as well as the individual names of the biotech. And you're going to want to watch through the entire video because there's something that you're going to be interested in at the end of this video. So we're going to get started here on IBB, and I want to point out here, we did mention most likely this was going to break down, and that's exactly what we got. And we believe that this is just the beginning of the breakdown here for biotechs. This is a very clear support break right here. You can see lots of times bouncing against that level. Finally, we broke that level here. These lows that we haven't seen since January of this year. So since January, we haven't seen these lows. Actually, I'm sorry, February is the last time. The beginning of February is the last time that we saw this price level right here. You can see right here in the short term, we were in a downtrend. You can see even in the midterm, here's these highs, and there's a lower high. So that's a downtrend right there as well. So we broke the support. Very clear and easy to see level right here. We also broke that support on a nice little increase in volume. You can see it's well above the average volume. One of the highest volume days that we've seen in the last few weeks right there. So that is a positive sign if you're looking to short biotech. So where can we expect biotechs to head? I believe it'll head at least down to the 273 mark right here, which is a level of support. You can see we got a bounce from it here, and this is a level of support right here from these previous resistance points. So now we're going to take a look at some of the individual names and give you a really good feel for biotech as a whole. So right here we've got Celg, again, breaking down. You can see it's in a downtrend right here. Lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower lows, lower lows. That is the definition of a downtrend. So more than likely, Celg is going to continue lower as well. Next one we're going to take a look at is Regn. And Regn, you can see, obviously this is one of the more bullish biotechs right here, but you can see it's breaking this little trend line that we have right there and curling over, so it can head lower as well. Obviously, overall, Regn is looking more bullish than the rest of the biotechs, and we have a lot of support below us, but in the meantime, we can head lower here in the near term. Next one we're going to take a look at is Gilead. And Gilead here, you can see overall, this is in a downtrend, clearly in a downtrend right here. And we broke this near-term support right there. You can see how many bounces we got off of it. Here's some more bounces. We finally broke it right here. So more than likely, this is a little bear flag right here. And it looks like Gilead can head even lower. So that is not helping the biotech case either. Next one we're going to take a look at is Agn. Agn clearly in a downtrend. You can see that. Here were these highs in 2015. We've been making lower highs ever since then against that downtrend. Also in the near term, you can see we broke this key support right here and headed lower right there. And obviously right now we're just kind of trading sideways, but definitely not helping biotechs in the bullish manner. Next, I want to take a look at Amgn. And Amgn, another one, looking at the longer term chart here, you can see we got a gap down right here, traded sideways, and then broke this tight range and headed lower. Right here, we're just kind of trading a little bit sideways, but certainly not helping biotechs as a whole. So that really builds the case for IBB heading lower. You can see not much is looking bullish and under the hood on biotechs. So now that you've watched this video, there's something that you're going to be interested in, and it's a limited time special offer. You've seen the results from watching these free analysis videos, and if you've seen the free analysis videos, you've seen the profitable trades that we've done as well. You're probably wondering, how can you get these same results? And that's a great question. So for people like you, we've specifically designed a program called the Trading Analyst Membership Program. And in it, you have the ability to look over the shoulder of a successful and profitable trader like myself. In the program, you can literally trade from anywhere because the alerts are sent in real time directly to your mobile phone via text message. You're also going to get full and complete access to the private Twitter feed where you can get live insights into the mind of a professional and profitable, successful trader. On the private Twitter feed, we're sharing the profitable trade alerts as well as technical analysis, as well as a place for you to ask me any questions that you might have. It's a great place to interact with myself and a professional, profitable trader so you can become a better trader on your own. I will be guiding you through the market on a daily basis. You're also going to get exclusive access to the daily member-only videos. The learning never stops in the membership program. On these daily member-only videos, we are sharing watch lists. We're going over potential trades. We're going over past trades that we took so you can learn from them. We also cover educational topics from week to week so you can always be learning. You're not only earning money in the membership program, you're learning. So it's a great opportunity to learn while you earn. So you're probably wondering, what is the price? And that is a great question. So the Trading Analyst Membership Program prices are going back up next week to $249 a month or $899 for the annual membership. But right now, for this week only, there's a limited time special offer that you can take advantage of. So you have two options for this limited time offer. The first option is the $74 per month for the monthly membership. Or if you prefer, the annual membership has a free 7-day trial. And again, this is something that we're only offering this week. It's your chance to look inside the membership for free for 7 days. If you decide to continue that membership after the 7-day trial, you'll be billed $468 for the entire year, which ends up being just $39 a month, which if you think about it is just as much as you pay for your coffee at Starbucks, and Starbucks is not making you thousands of dollars per day potentially in the market. And the best part is it's free for 7 days, and you can cancel that trial anytime within the 7 days if you don't like it, and you're going to be not billed anything. So it's risk-free, and you've got nothing to lose by signing up. So right now, you're going to take a look at what some of the current members are saying about the membership. It's one thing to hear what I have to say about my membership program, but it's another to hear it from what some of the current members are saying that are actually in the membership program right now. So this first one is from Ben Stevenson, and Ben says, the Trading Analyst Membership Program is exactly what I have been searching for. It's so exciting being able to say that I make money from the markets. I knew bits and pieces of information about options and trading, but nowhere did I find a membership program and an analyst as knowledgeable as Taylor is. This next one is from Chase Taylor, and Chase says, after jumping around from service to service, I finally found a home at the Trading Analyst with Taylor. He's amazing, and I feel so thankful that I stumbled upon his website. Everything happens for a reason, I guess. This last one is from Francisco Pinto, and Francisco says, I absolutely love the membership program so far. It's worth 10 times what I paid for it. I've been trying to turn a profit in the market for a while now and just couldn't do it. The Trading Analyst membership program was the very thing that I have to thank for turning my account profitable for the last 2 years. Thank you so much, Taylor. No, thank you, Francisco. So right now you're probably wondering, what do you do next? Well, if you're on the website watching this video, below the video, there's a Join Now for Instant Access button. What you're going to do is click that button to get started, and you're going to get immediate access to the winning profitable trade alerts, the private Twitter feed, the daily member-only videos, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the membership program.